HWM105-H688BK. It's got a heater. It's got an allergen free mode, hot, warm. These are the types of wash that you can have. These are the different types of water level: wash time, rinse time, spin time, delay. This is the door. So washing my pillow in this, which is very soiled. Then there's the detergent box. This is a soft closing lid. So I will start with turning it on. Then I will change the program. I will start with heavy. Second, turn it off, then turn it on. So I will take sorry, I just missed it. So I will start with P1. I will start with P2, sport mode. Okay, so this is the one that you use for washing your sports related clothes. And then I will select the water level. So you can, if you want to turn on the heater, you need to select one of these, right? So if you select sports, and if you want hot temperature, so the water level should be between 1 to 5. So what I'll do is I'll select the water level, okay, and then I will use this button. I will use this button to get it under 5. So I'll set it to 5, okay, and then I can use this to set it to hot. Okay, now what I do is I'll just quickly turn on the tap. Okay, and then I will hit the start button. But before that, I also need to put some detergent. So I'll just open it.